Okay, so this is chapter 7. The reason we're not having class is because I think I'm going to get through this chapter pretty quickly. So, because some of it's stuff that we've talked about. So here we go. So chapter 7 is about understanding the difference between a sample and a population, and understanding the importance of a null and research hypothesis, and then how do you write a good research and null hypothesis. So we've done a little bit of this, so this is just kind of maybe a review. So we've talked about a hypothesis is an educated guess, all right? And the role of the hypothesis is to reflect the research question. So if my research question, does exercise training have an effect on body composition, then I need to be able to write a null and research hypothesis to test that. Okay, samples and populations. So the key difference here is a population is a large group. And then a sample is a group that is pulled from their population. We've talked a little bit about this. And then sampling error is a measure of how well a sample represents a population. So 5 people versus 500 people at HSU is going to be 500 is going to be a better representation. So you get two types of hypothesis statements, a research hypothesis and a null hypothesis. Your research hypothesis refers to populations and are written in Greek symbols, and I'll go over those. And our research hypothesis refers to samples and are written in Roman symbols, and I'm going to go over those in the next slide. So that's just a very basic introduction to this chapter, and the next slides will go into a little bit more detail.